How to make headings and title on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about the process. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. I have opened the Google Docs here, and you can see the I have content also, sample content. So I'll show you how I can make the title. You can see this is my netcast. You can see this is normal text. If you want to make it title, just go to the normal text. Here the title, you can make it. So now when you click on this title, here show the title only. Before that it show like normal text like this. Okay, so this is also normal text. If you want to make it title, just click on it, go here and make it title. So title for the first page only, but if you want to make the title again, you can make it. But here you can see that you can also make it heading 1, you can also make the heading 2, and just click on the text and make a heading 3 4 3 or 4. You can see I have made the all headings here. This is heading 5, this is 2, this is 1, and this is title. Okay, so this is how to, that is how you can make the title and headings. And also I'm going to show you how one feature that you can use if you're using the lot of pages and lot of content here, which is outline. Okay, just go to the view and make sure that option is on. Just click on it, so outline will be enabled. So outline basically it is like it show the all your headings and subheadings here and title. So if you're using the lots of content or pages here and you want to directly navigate to the particular page on directly jump on the particular title, then you need to just click on that title and it will be take you that page. Okay, so you can also remove particular title from here. Just click here and it will be removed. And if you want to add again, just right click on that title, right click on it and make the add the document outline. It will be add here. Okay, so you simply navigate like this, and you can minimize the outline also. Take it back by clicking this list icon. Okay, so that is how we can make the titles or headings or titles in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.